every wondered how plants make their own food. This is the biggest question in our mind also. How the plants make their own food. Okay. And let's explore this topic. Understand. So what is nutrition? If we're talking about the nutrition as here. So what is the nutrition? Nutrition is a process by which the living organism take in food and use it to get energy. Okay. So nutrition is that type of process that living organism take in food. After the taking in food and use it get to energy. How we work like that, how we done, all the things are this coming from, these things are there. So mm, energy grow and repair their bodies. So the repairing of body also including energy are there. And how we get the energy? We are getting the energy from the food. That's it. After that class, just like we need food to survive, we need food for survive. We also know that this is the main points also. Why the basic need, the main need of nidification of the food? Because we are surviving in that particular time. So pseudo plant does same things class. If the animal does, plant does. So but here is the twist. What is the twist class? Most plants make their own food. Most of the plants make their own food. So on the basis of the nutrition, there are the two types of the nutrition are there. First we called autotrophic nutrition and second we call the heterotrophic nutrition are there. If you're talking about the autotrophic nutrition, auto means self and the green plant use the sunlight are there and CO2 and water to make food. That's it. If in roughly we can say auto means self. All the green plants use sunlight, carbon dioxide, and water to make their own food out there. After that, we are talking about the heterotrophic nutrition class. What is the heterotrophic nutrition out there? If we're talking about. So, first, some plants like fungi or insectivorous plants like peach plant. If we're talking about the insectivorous plant, just like a peach plant are there. And some plants like fungi is also including the heterotrophic mode of nutrition are there. So depend on other organism for food class. If they are taking the food, they are depending upon the other organism. So this is known as heterotrophic modes of nutrition. Next class. So how do the next question is how do green plants prepare their own food? If you're talking about plants prepare their own food, that in the mind also the question raising is that how the plants are making their own food. So first of all, through a process, if you're talking about through a process called photosynthesis, is plant make their own food out there. So plants use chlorophyll like a green pigment in their leaves. In the plant, you can say that in leaves there is a green pigment out there and look like a green, and that green thing is known as class chlorophyll. Okay. So using this chlorophyll, plant they make on food. And second thing, they take in carbon dioxide from the air through tiny openings. The tiny openings is known as stomata. We leave carbon dioxide and take oxygen out here. So if the what will is that carbon dioxide, what is the certain amount are there? They are taking from the stomata and they're taking from stomata carbon dioxide from the air. That's it class. Next is the roots absorb water from the soil. If you're talking about the roots are absorb water from the soil. That's it. After that, sunlight provide the energy. The main work of sun is provide, you know, energy. All this together help the plant make glucose. Okay. So these things are combined in a equation, and later I will tell you the equation of the photosynthesis that will help up in your examination, upcoming examination. So next thing is that glucose a kind of a sugar, okay, and release oxygen with the help of sunlight make the glucose a kind of sugar and release oxygen. Release oxygen. After the equation is look like how the equation is look like. The equation is look like CO2 plus H2 sunlight are there and making glucose and oxygen. Very simple class. Again, I repeat this. Carbon dioxide and H2 combine with each other with the help of sunlight in a chlorophyll, giving glucose and oxygen are there. In the form of oxygen in air we are taking. So this is the balance between the human and the nature, a plant of the respiration, breathing, what you tell. The both terms are approximately same. So next, other modes and example. If you're talking about the other modes and example, not all plants are green. If you're talking about the not all plants are green or can make their own food. This is a very unexceptional statement that I tell you that. Okay. Very controversial also. Not all plants are green. Okay. Listen carefully. Not all plants are green or can make their own food. Can make their own food if you're talking about. So the cuscuta is a parasite. If you're taking example, you see the NCERT. Okay. In page number 3rd or 4th, you get it right now. In an old edition, in the page number 3rd, in a new edition, you get a 4th page. Okay. And paragraph 2. So the cuscuta is a parasite. Okay. It sucks food from the another plant. If you're talking about the cuscuta, that it sucks food from the another plants. That's it, class. After that, pitcher plant. In previous lecture, I tell you, na, we are talking about the pitcher plant. Pitcher plants traps insect to get nutrients. How the pitcher plants, trap insect to get nutrients and mushroom feed on the dead and decay matter. So these are the point. If you're talking about the pitcher plant trap insect to get nutrients, how these plants are work, you know listen very strange. This statement is very crucial for you. Pitcher plants get nutrients from the insect. Understand? A plant get nutrition from the animals. Okay. Next thing is that mushroom feed on the dead and decaying matter. So these are that class. What is the conclusion of this all? What we conclusion of this all that we are discussing? Let's So nutrition in plant is mostly autotrophic, but nature has interesting exception too. Nature has its own law class. Each and everyone has own law. So we are seeing that. So remember, okay, plants not only feed themselves, okay, they are also the base of the food chain. If you're talking about later in a food chain, I taught you in an online lecture out there. There is a food chain out there and support life on the earth. That's it. Next, if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more science made simple. Our motto is very simple: make it work hard. See that I also made for you the script up there because you get a right things, right fact on there. Somebody says to me that please work harder how much you can, and that's I work hard. I'm not showing for my show that I am prepared this video for long, but I also want to show you that I worked really hard for you guys, really hard. Okay, and see you next time, class. Bye. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.